Hi everyone! I wanted to make this video to say thank you. We can now fill a small football stadium or a tennis court with 10,000 subscribers. This is absolutely incredible. When I first started this channel, I didn't know where it would take me, but I believed in this practice. I've experienced the benefits, both physical and mental, and now I'm seeing so many of you getting the same benefits and improving the quality of your lives. I also wanted to take a moment to say a big thank you to every single one of you who takes the time to comment, to share your feedback, or send me an email. It's a real joy and honor to read your stories, to see your journeys, and the difference this practice made in your life. Once again, thank you very much for being here, for growing this community together, and for enjoying Qigong and a more balanced and less stressful life. I wish you a good day, stay well, and I'll see you soon.